All right, example 2. I have something that may be a difference of 2 squares. Let's see if there's a greatest common factor. 81 is not divisible by 4, and 81 is also not even, so it's not divisible by 2. So there's no greatest common factor here. So I'm gonna see if these are perfect squares and see if they're in my list. When I look at my list, I see that 4, it's right here, and the square root of 4 is 2. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm write 2, and I see x squared. X squared is already automatically a perfect square, so I'm gonna put 2x. And then for 81 in my list, I see 81 right here, and the square root of 81 is 9, so that becomes a 9. Then when I use my pattern, I'm going to have 2 quantities, 1 positive and 1 negative, and then I'm just going to write 2x plus 9 and 2x minus 9. And that's my answer. So now what I would like you to do is go ahead and do the try-its. And I will see you next week. Bye.